Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix unidentified network, no internet access or limited access on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the network adapters. Then here you'll find your Wi-Fi. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Simply close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. Make a right click, select properties. And here in the properties window, you need to locate the IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then close this Windows. Then you just have to restart your Windows afterwards. And we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, simply type this commands. NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. You can also pause the video to see the commands. Next command, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter. And for the last command, ipconfig space /renew. Hit enter. Now type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button and you have to go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for network and the internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. And here you'll find more settings, network resets. And make sure to remember your connection password. Click on reset now, click on yes. And after that, this will restart your Windows. And you just have to re-enter your connection password after the Windows has been restarted. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.